Hey ho everyone, Ginger Gargoyle here with a how-to video. This is going to be a quick oversight first on the Go Press and Foil machine and what you get inside of the standard kit that you get from the company. Couture Creations, I believe it is. Now, I only get I get less than 15 minutes. It's something more like 13 minutes per video. So, this means I will be forced to do these in multiple videos. And you'll have to check to see how I dub each one for how they do it. I'm planning on going from basics to a little more than basics. I'm not going to say advanced because I'm not an advanced person. I'm a person just like you guys. So, and the majority of what I know I have learned from videos online, in specific Scrapbooking Made Simple. And when I tell you things, I'll more than likely tell you which one of her videos, her webisodes, I got it from. Okay, this is the Go Press and Foil machine. It's from Couture. I'm going to say it's from Couture Creations. And this is the box that it comes in. And it is a two-piece unit. All right. You have... And unfortunately, guys, I have to have you in my lap on my iPad. You have two parts to this. Okay, this is the heater part. This is a must-have. All right, this does not come out. This is the plug. So you do need an electrical outlet. All right. I wish that it was not necessary, but it is. And then this is the heater unit. All right. This is actually made of two pieces. They sell it as one piece, but my understanding is that the door can pop off and re-pop back on, so you can replace it, because now they have a door. Let's see if I can find where I put it. Well, that's not it. Now they have a door. You can go back and check my old videos. They have a door with a grid on there. So if you're using this to make cards or something where you want to make sure that you have it on a straight line, you can use that. However, to me that seems kind of ridiculous, because you can't... The way they want you to do it is they want you to put down your paper and then your foil, and then let's see, no, they want you to put down your hot foil plate, and then your foil, gray side up, silver side up, pretty side down, and then your paper over the top. So you can't see to line it up anyways. So I'm going to do some experiments and see if you can reverse that order like we do when we do the Sizzix machine. Okay? But, so you got this part and this part. You will need some sort of a die cutting machine that takes the thick steel rule dies. Alright? It has to take the thick steel rule dies. So a Sizzix, a Spellbinders, a Vagabond. I'm trying to think what else takes the thick steel rule dies. The Platform, that type of thing. Okay? Or Platinum, rather. Then it comes with an instruction booklet, which I never looked at. And it comes with this mat. And the reason it comes with the mat is because the gold press and foil plates, or foil stamps, I think they're called, foil stamps. The gold press and foil stamps are made out of metal, and they get quite hot. So you need something that you can put them onto. And they get so hot that they even came up with a special pair of tweezers. Okay, don't throw this away. You're going to need to have this little doohickey thing right here. Let me see if I can't get this to focus. Focus. There we go. Alright, this little piece of plastic goes over these 2 points. All right, and it helps hold this shut inside of your box. So don't try not to lose this. All right, this has a magnet on it. Okay. See, I don't have anything made of metal handy. Huh. I really don't. This is so sad. This is so sad. How can I not have anything made of metal? I don't get this. When I want metal, I'm tripping over it. When I don't want metal... Okay. Alright. So you can see that this is a magnet. It's not, it's a magnet, okay? So this, oh, it's a strong magnet. It's a very strong magnet, guys. Okay. That thing took that pin right out of my hand. Alright, and the way that you work these is, normally with the tweezer you go in between and you pick it up. These are the opposite. What you want to do is you want to pick your plate up this way, alright? So your plate is over that O, and then you close it, and then it sticks to that, and you put it over your mat, and then when you let go, it lets go of your plate. Alright, if you do it the other way, your hot plate is going to stick to that metal, and then you got to touch the hot plate to get it off. You don't want to do that, because trust me, these plates do get quite warm. I can, so I'm used to touching warm things, not real hot things, but just so you know. Alright, so you get this, you get these, and then they give you 2 rolls of foil. Now, I do not believe these are full rolls of foil. I think these are just partial rolls of foil. But they're pretty. They're plain. They're silver and gold. Silver and gold. Silver and gold. Everyone wishes for silver and gold. Those of you of Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer fans are now going, no, don't spoil that song for us. And those of you who are not are going, please stop singing. And hopefully I don't get a note from whatchamacallit saying, you can't sing that song from YouTube. Except as far as I know, there is no copyright on that song. Here we go. This stuff is really thin, okay? You can see that there's this dull side and there's a shiny side. Alright, they want you to put this down so it's dull side up. Alright, so it's hot foil plate, dull side up, paper goes on top. I'm going to test and see if we can put paper, paper, foil, hot plate upside down on this. Okay, and see if that will work. If it does, woohoo, ka-choo. Now, I did do this a couple of times the regular way, and then I went, nah, I don't like the thing, so I deleted the video that I had. I think. Maybe I already put it up. I don't think I did. And let's see. Where did I put this? There they are. Okay, so I did it. You can see I have a celebrate and a thanks, and I'll be using the thanks more than likely. But I had some problems, and you really need the time to play with this. So if you're going to buy it and go, boom, I'm going to use it, and then end up disappointed. This one says, with all my love, if I remember correctly. Then you're not going to, and you're going to have problems. You really need to take the time to kick back and play and just waste some paper, waste some foil, waste some time, but it's all good. And then I saved my negatives. What do I mean by negatives? Okay, the negatives are the parts that are left over after you you do the thing. Okay, so this is Celebrate, and you can see there's a lot of material left on that. And this one says, with love for you, or with love, whatever. Okay. And I thought I had one more. Yeah, no, where'd it go? Where'd it go? I could have swore I had one more that says thanks. There it is. All right. And then I've got one left that says thanks. All right, and I'll be doing a thing on how to transfer these negatives so that you're not wasting any of this material. Okay? So that'll be one that's coming up as well. First, I'm going to do a this is how you do it basic video. All right? So I'm going to end this video here and plug in my machine, and we'll get going on just the basics. Okay, guys. Bye-bye for now.